So you're at home, you can't work, and you were struck by a commercial vehicle, a trailer, a tractor trailer, a dump truck, or another vehicle like that. There's many things that we need to get together and get involved with you right away. We need to collect the evidence from the accident scene. We need pictures of your vehicle. We need pictures of you, the nature and extent of your injuries, casts, scars, broken bones, x-rays, MRIs, emergency room records. We also need to collect a police report. If there's a serious injury or a death, there's going to be state police investigations because every fatality is investigated not just by the state police. We also have to contact the county prosecutor's office because they're investigated for vehicular homicide. Was the driver driving beyond his proper driving time? Are his logs forged? Was the truck inspected correctly? Was the inspection and the maintenance records properly maintained? Did the truck pass the New Jersey or Pennsylvania State Police inspection post-accident? But in my book, they are no accident. It isn't a mistake. That driver did something wrong, that maintenance company did something wrong, and you should not be sitting at home, unable to work, worried about who's going to pay the mortgage, who's going to pay the bills of the house, who's going to put food on the table. We have the knowledge and skill to hire the investigators, the accident reconstruction team, the local law enforcement officers who came to the scene, who came to the conclusion that that driver blew the stop sign, blew the red light, the truck wasn't properly maintained, and came to the conclusion that it was not your fault. So call us at 866-HARK-LAW, HARKLAW, or email us directly from the webpage. Thanks.